Hi, it's Darren from JD Gallagher Estate Agents, and today I'd like to tell you all about this wonderful bungalow just behind me here, located in Torrisholme on Low Lane. How's about we go inside and I'll tell you everything that you need to know about the home and the area in which we're in. Come on, let's go. So, welcome inside Low Lane. This semi-detached true bungalow offers easy to maintain gardens and neutrally decorated rooms throughout. The welcoming entrance hall offers built-in storage which hides away your Hoover ironing board and also houses the Worcester combi boiler which powers the central heating and the water for the home. The doorway just behind me here opens into what can only be described as a lovely, bright and airy living room. The neutral tones are complemented by the fact that there's not one but two windows to both the front and the side elevations, and to the centre of the room further heat can be provided from the coal effect gas fire. Both bedrooms are doubles. The one to the front is actually set up as a further sitting room at the moment, however would easily accommodate a double bed if needed, whilst the one to the rear, again double in size, has a rather pleasing aspect onto the private rear garden. The owners have also installed fairly recently a modern three-piece shower room, and the shower is the heat from there is provided straight from that combi boiler we discussed. On top of that, there's a modern fitted kitchen which offers ample space for all the appliances you would need, and from the sink area you look out onto the side garden and then the playing fields for the primary school on Low Lane just beyond. Off the kitchen there is also a small porch area which is just used for storage at the moment, however with a little bit of imagination could be turned into something far greater. These homes offer a huge loft space, so for those of you that will be looking to extend, maybe creating extra rooms upstairs like neighbouring homes have done, there's ample potential to do that. The gardens at the moment are nice and easy to maintain. There's a low maintenance shaded area to the front with a driveway which continues down the side of the home. From there there's gated access to a further side area where there's a shed. In fact there's two sheds, and then from there is a low maintenance paved garden. The area itself, Low Lane Torrisholme, is very popular thanks to not only a mix of homes from semi-detached, detached and bungalows, so it gives a diverse range of clientele. There's also a primary school just literally next door to this home, and there's shops, amenities, pubs, everything that you need literally just around the corner in Torrisholme village itself. Bus links are easy to obtain. There's literally one just further down the road, and there's also easy access from here into Morecambe or Lancaster itself. So for more information, how's about you contact us on 01524 843322. Someone's ringing now by the sound of it to book their first viewing, or any questions beforehand, please do get in touch. It's Darren at jdg.co.uk. We're more than happy to answer any questions. So fingers crossed we will see you here very soon. And this area is always popular, so please do get in touch as quick as you can. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.